report was this guy came up and hit somebody in the head.
What? You're helping facilitate the family get their car to the hospital. Oh yeah, But Nate's not going. He's not going there. Oh, I thought
Look at, she's trying to hide behind the officer. The camera.
Open your door, good. You have the property? It's still right there on the sidewalk. Do you have any knives or needles or anything like that? What's that? Stevens. No, that's Noriega. Stevens is walking across the street. Warner's going to the truck. Shalhoub is leaving. It's important to know all these people's names. So yeah, the call was an elderly man was hit over the head by this random guy. Random guy just came up and hit him. And then this guy, the one that they have locked up, tried to leave. Then, you know, got called in to 911, and then this guy came back to the scene. So there's an elderly guy somewhere that just got hit for no reason that I know of. You know, they didn't say a whole lot over the radio, but it's alleged that this guy that they have locked up just hit some random old guy in the head.
I'll be transporting lots of business and I copy, transporting 1 to 1019 using the detain time of 10:15.
Never return, or just don't commit the crime to make it a scene. You know what I mean? There's always that.